Útvarpsþátturinn Tetris með DJ B-Ruff fyrsta föstudag hvers mánaðar. Klukkutíma keyrsla í hádeginu af óviðjafnalegu hip-hopi sem hljómaði hér í kringum the 90s. Verið vel stillt. Exið 977.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me.
Let's go.
Really be throwing my words, then I'm up jamming on the one. They ain't nobody but up to jamming on the drum. Swift flip kicks landing from the tongue. More dramatic than Batman and Robin. The one to be handling it, then it be sharper than the thumb tag. The one to be dropping his up, showing them how to come back. And you gon' respect me and appreciate where I run at. You ain't gon' piss me off, but you sorry that you done that. I guess meaner, badder, strong and ferocious. You don't need much more see the rest. I'm coming back more fearless, more determined and focused. I ain't even started yet, so if you ain't ready, you better get ready. No, I do it better when I'm being opposed. I stick your chest, I keep your chin up. It's sometimes you got to get knocked down to get up. You keep bumping me against the wall. Yeah, I know I let you slide the phone, but until you see me, trust me, you ain't seen my back. You keep bumping me against the wall. Yeah, I know I let you slide the phone, but until you see me, trust me.
Yo, I'm the verbal spit, Smith Wesson. I unload with 6-bit, the quick wit could split a split second. Bomb with a lit wit expression. You hear it tick tick, then you test it. My saliva and spit, the split thread and the fiber and bits. So trust me, I'm as live as it gets. Everybody claim to the best and they had the throne since Big is gone. If you ask me, they dead wrong. My flow is hotter than the flash from the click when the hammer slaps the bullet on the ass from the clip. You wind up in a room full of my dogs. I have you feeling like a fire hydrant in a room full of dogs. So come now, get pissed on, shitted on. Tough talk turns to can't we all just get along? You get blazed when the mic's off, shot when it's on. You probably ducked when they laid the gunshot in your song. My gun stutters when it speaks to you. Other shit to repeat to you. Nothing to clip to give a speech to you. Me and Premier, we kinda the same in ways. We both speak with our hands in dangerous ways. Rap now is a circus of clowns. A whole lot of lip from clicks. I probably rap circles around. I'm the next best to reach a peak, formerly known as the best kept secret. I guess that I just leaked it. Ricket's tragic like the havoc of a nuclear bomb. Ricket's tragic like the havoc of a nuclear bomb.
Big L, rest in peace. Rest in peace. Big L, rest in peace. Rest in peace. You wanna mess with this? One of the best yet. We got it. Feel the realness. In this business already. Go ahead.
Fresh out the gate again, time to raise the stakes again. Fatten my plate again. Y'all cats know we always play to win. GNG to the stars, son. Haters took this shit too far, son. So that's all for you. I'm wiping out your whole team. Ow, splatter your dreams with lyrics to shatter your schemes. The badder you seem, the more lies you tell. The more lies you sound. Now by surprise you fell into my death trap, right into my clutches. Stupid, you know the God must bless every single mic he touches. I've suffered just so I can return harder. Wanna be the shit starter? Fuck around, make you a martyr. I'll make you famous. Turn around and make you nameless. Cause you never understood how vital to me this rap game is. Save it and hold that, you catch a hot one. Rhymes to chase a fake nigga down soon as I spot one.
Clip. Do you wanna mess with this? Gangstar, one of the best yet. I'm nice like that. It's all good. In this business of rap. Full clip. Do you wanna mess with this? Gangstar, one of the best yet. I'm nice like that. It's all good. So I suggest you take a rest with you.
Your chance of running is empty. These slugs will leave a nigga drug like a chip slip to Mickey. I'm so on the low and taking Navy SEAL to get me when I surface. If not chips to vengeance, the purpose on your team I put a curtain, a beautiful hurting. Till my eyes see the blood, that mean the creeps start working. Niggas never learning, let their eyes keep lurking. Have your janitor pumping, your X5 murking. Skip off the street, heart skip the beat. Beef, nigga overcooked that meat. Get no sleep, only rest is in between the blink. My life story was written in blood, permanent ink. Killer instinct, R.I.P. Gotta think like that, cause forever I'll be needing them. Playing flawless, mistakes never beating them. Some love me, some hate me, bitches in the head beating them. Niggas wanna ride by the crib all slow. Clap, motherfucker, want a real rap show. It's a rush when the Mac blow, threaten my castle. And in the blink, watch how quick life pass you.
Motherfuckers, when they ever go, they playing with that fire, and that's to get burned. Before this in the grave, we giving all it all, something to be afraid of. Motherfuckers, when they ever go, they playing with that fire, and that's to get burned. Before this in the grave, we giving all it all, something to be afraid of.
Now let's get it all in perspective. For all y'all enjoyment, a song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro. Only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with finesse in the white tee, looking for white meat. Thug girl who fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We could drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. New this, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at? Through the Smurf, through the WAP baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up.
They usually hate her when she comes around. First lady mobbing, nigga hit the ground. Next break into that hoo-wee, what a sound. Heads bopping, never fails once the doc's around. Hating the fact that she do things on both sides, but never disrespect, 2 rings round both eyes, right? Lady like in many ways, because in trust I can be crazy like on any day. Some do they dirt, but best believe in time they pay. Do believe in letting shit chill to the promised day. Seems they just fade away. I love it cause them clowns, they just paved the way. Left it wide open, got no time to play. Mad cause shit changed, got no time to stay. Consider snobby, then just hate me, I don't give a fuck. Consider sloppy to me, you just need to give it up, give it up, give it up.
Eve don't give a fuck about you, that's what it is. Eve is the hottest bitch, that's what it is. But she gon' stay ladylike, that's what it is. But I'ma act crazy like, that's what it is. Think I got your house shot, that's what it is. Think I got your car burned, that's what it is. Think I got your people robbed, that's what it is. Cause we don't give a